Nice Qtum. Your trusted partner.
Are you familiar with problems like low speed, complicated management, security concern? Today, I'll show you how Teleport provides secure remote access without a VPN. Fast, simple, secure. Let's see how it works in practice. The user opens the Teleport web interface. Everything works right in the browser. No additional clients needed. In our case, access to the cluster is performed via secure SSO authentication using GitHub. Teleport also supports integration with other popular SSO providers, such as Google, Microsoft Azure AD, Okta, GitLab, and more. This means you can choose the most convenient authentication method without extra passwords or added risk. Login happens instantly while enforcing corporate security policies and multi-factor authentication. Secure, fast, reliable. Now let's go to the Users tab to see how Teleport manages access in real time. As we can see, when logging in via SSO, the system automatically creates a temporary user. This enforces the principle of least privilege. The user receives only the permissions needed for the session. In this case, Teleport identifies the user type as GitHub because the authentication was performed through GitHub SSO. This allows easy identification of who accessed what from where and with which permission. After the session ends, this temporary account is automatically deleted, minimizing the risk of standing privileges or uncontrolled access. Next, let's switch to the Resources tab. Here we see all resources available to the user based on their access rights. These may include servers, Kubernetes clusters, databases, and applications integrated with Teleport. The user sees only those resources they are authorized to access according to SSO and security policies. Let's pick one of the available servers and connect, all done in just a few clicks. As you can see, the connection is instant and secure. Without exposing internal infrastructure to external users, Teleport automatically applies all security policies during resource access. Let's verify the connection by running a few basic commands directly on the server. The first command uses sudo, which requires elevated privileges. Teleport enforces an extra layer of security, so a password is required before proceeding. This ensures that even if an account is compromised, unauthorized elevation is blocked. We'll run a few more simple commands to confirm the connection is stable and system info is displayed. Once the work is done, exiting the session is easy. Teleport instantly ends the session, ensuring the user no longer has access to the resource. We've just seen how easy it is to work via Teleport's web interface. But what if we want to go even faster, working directly from the terminal? Let's see how to use Teleport from the CLI for even more efficient access. We use the tsh login command to connect to the Teleport cluster. tshot is the command line utility for Teleport that lets users securely connect to clusters, servers, databases, and more, without using VPN or static SSH key. Note that we're now authenticating as a local user. After successful login, Teleport shows key session details, username, proxy address, and session duration. This lets us verify that we're connected to the right cluster. Now we'll connect directly to a Linux server using SSH with the same tash utility. As you can see, the connection is instant. We'll run a few basic commands to confirm we're connected as the correct user on the correct server. Everything works smoothly, which we've established secure access using Teleport CLI with no additional configuration. Don't delay your security. Contact us to see how Teleport will work in your infrastructure. Message us, call us, or follow the link. Make your infrastructure secure with Teleport. If you enjoyed learning about Teleport and its capabilities, we have even more great content for you. To stay updated with our latest videos on Teleport, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and leave a comment below. More practical cases, in-depth feature breakdowns, and expert tips are coming your way to help make your remote access as secure and convenient as possible. Teleport is more than secure access. Discover how it can transform your infrastructure with us.